Hi students, welcome to our channel. In previous class, we learned about stack ADT operations. In this class, we are going to implement stack operations using array in C programming. So, overview of today's presentation, implementation of stack using array types of data structures. We implement three functions. One is push function, pop function and display function. I hope you all know. So, these three functions. So, push for insert an element into stack, pop is for delete an element from stack, display is used to print all the elements present in the stack. Outcome of this lecture is, at the end of this lecture, you are going to implement stack using array in C programming. The implementation of operations. First one is push. Okay. Here we are taking the stack as a structure. Here this is the stack items and here the maximum size. In our example we consider this as a 5. Okay. So, this is the stack structure. This contains two items. One is array items of 5. Let us assume this is the items array 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and the top equals to, initially we are taking -1. This is the initialization. So, first we create a stack, then we call the initialize function, and initialization means here the top value is initialized with the -1. Okay. So, now the condition for is full. So, this is another function. The condition for is full is if the top equals to max size -1. If it is a size -1, then we assume that it is full. Okay. Now, here in first case the stack is empty. So, we can insert. If I call push 5, now the 5 will be inserted at items of 0. Initially it is -1. If you observe that here plus stack arrow top, initially it is -1 plus -1 means it becomes 0, items of 0. Okay. Now, the 5 is inserted here. In next call I call 10. What is the top value now? 0 plus now it becomes 1, items of 1 we insert 10. Okay. So, this is the code for pushing an element into stack. Pop the element from the stack. For pop also, so how we are going to delete an element means by doing top minus. Okay. So, this is the example. Let us assume. So, this is the items and the elements are 15, 5, 25, 35 and 45. Okay. Now, what is the top value? Top value equals to 4. Okay. So, now I want to delete an element. So, which element is going to delete? 45 will be deleted. So, simply write top minus. So, items of top minus. Now, the top becomes 3. Up to here only we can organize as a stack. Okay. Now, here another condition is if the stack is empty, there is nothing to delete. So, how we can identify that? By using is empty. Here if top equals to -1, then it returns the boolean value to this function. If top equals to -1, then it returns true. Okay. So, now, not true means false. So, we print stack is empty. Okay. Try to delete some value, but that stack is empty. How we can identify that? The top value equals to -1. Okay. The next function is display. If I want to display the element means there is some elements in the stack. If there is no elements, how we can identify? Again, is empty function. In that function we write top equals to -1. In display, So, let us assume these are the items, array name is items and these are the index 15, 5, 25, 35, 45. Okay. Now, what is the top value? Top equals to 4. Now, I want to display from top to 0. So, the for loop will start from top value and we print until this I value is greater than or equals to 0, and after printing the value you are going to decrement the I value. Okay. In first iteration, what is I value? I value equals to 4. So, items of I is 45. In next iteration, I minus minus, so it becomes I equals to 3. So, it prints 35. In next iteration, I equals to 2. So, it prints 25. In next iteration, I equals to 1. So, it prints 5. In next iteration, I equals to 0. So, it prints 15. In next iteration, I value minus 1. Now, here the condition is the I value is greater than or equals to 0, but here I value is minus 1. So, minus 1 greater than or equals to 0, false. Okay. If the stack is empty, then the is empty function returns true, here not true, false. So, we print stack is empty. Okay. So, now we see execution of the program, the same program here. So, here I define this max size as a 5 and we take one structure, an initialization function, is empty function to find the stack is empty or not, is full function is to find the stack is full or not. Then we write push function, pop function and display function. From main we create object to the stack. Okay. The first instruction struct stack, the stack is the object to the stack structure. Okay. Now, initialize. So, in initialization, what we initialize? We initialize top equals to minus 1. Then we call stack function push 3 times 5, 10, 15. So, this is the stack. The stack name is items and the size is 5. Size is 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. First time we call as a stack of 5. Now, the 5 is inserted here. Next 10 and 15. Now, so what is the top value? Top equals to 2. Okay. Next I call display stack. Now, it display from top to bottom. That means it display 15, 10, 5 as a output. So, next one pop item. Here we call the pop function. So, if we pop, so which item will be deleted first? 15 will be deleted. So 15 will be deleted and we displayed as a popped item 15. Next, if we display, it display 10 and 5. Okay. So, by using this is empty function, we are going to find the stack is empty or not. In this case, stack is not empty. So, it prints no, and is stack full is also it prints no. Now, we run the program. So, this is the output of the program. Okay. So, 15, 10, 5. We are displaying the elements from top to bottom. Now, I try to delete an item. So, 15 is deleted. The remaining numbers are 10, 5. Is stack empty? No. Is stack full? No. Now, we try to execute all the test cases. Here, I insert 3 more elements, compile, so no errors, run the program. Now, if you observe, the stack full is yes, no. Why? The stack size is 5. Here we insert 3 more elements. If you try to insert 1 more element, then we get the error. So, here I try to insert 6th element. Okay. Compile, no errors, run the program. here I try to push the element 1550, but here stack is full, cannot push 1550. Okay. So, this is about execution of stack program, stack ADT. Summary of today's lecture: we define a structure called stack that contains array of items and top index, and we implement, so functions were implemented to initialize the stack, top value, push function, pop function, check emptiness, is empty function, and check fullness of the stack, is full function, to check whether the stack is full or not. And we implement display function to print all the elements present in the stack. In next class we are going to learn about, so one of the stack application, so balanced delimiters. If you have any doubts, so place your doubts in the comment section. I will answer all the questions, and download this program from the description. Thank you.